Good day guys, and welcome back to my channel. The previous video we made the setting, and today we're going to continue from the hoop. It is the rim hoop, and what we're going to do here now is let's select this image, and I think we can delete it. Press X and delete it. So we're going to come up with new image here. It's going to be, let's go Shift A and add a image, background image, and let's go to the hoop. Yep, the back hoop. We have this. Yes, this is what we're going to use. So we can select everything here, and deselect the image. And deselect the image and deselect this image. Then press H to hide. No, sorry. Let's deselect this one as well. And H. Oh, what is happening? H to hide. So now what we're going to do is let's add a new object to this. Let's add a new object. Select the middle media. I press Shift A and add a cylinder. And the cylinder is going to be system devices. And okay, and generate. So now what we are going to do here is rotate on Z axis. Oh, sorry, rotate on the X axis, no, on Y axis at 90 degree. Let's go to wireframe to see how it is. Then scale down to this level. Yep. And bring it back a little bit. Then select this face, press E to extrude, and press S to scale up, then E to extrude, and S to scale up, then E to extrude a little bit, then press E again, and press X to scale it up, bring it front a little bit, press E again, and press X to press E again and S to scale down. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, scale down, and let's see how it looks. Bring it down a little bit to this level, then bring it out and press E again. Press E a little bit, press E again, and press E and scale in. Then press E again and bring it out all the way here. So now what we're going to do is select this and this, then press E to extrude and press S to scale it in a little bit. Yep. So now this is what we got. This is what we go for this. This is what we go for this. So now what we're going to do now is clean it up. Let's add a modifier subdivision. Let's leave it on 1. leave it on 1. Then we add loop cut here and select all of this. Press X to delete the vertices. So now let's clean it up. See, the place is quite smooth. So press add loop cut out here and add here, not too close. Then here also add here, and then here also you add here. Bring it up all the way. Here also you add 1, and here you add also the same. Just sharp it. Add here also. Add here as well. Add there and there. Then here now I press I to extrude and press E to bring it out a little bit. Press I again to extrude. So now we can add a loop cut here, and here. So now I think it looks quite okay now. So now let's smooth it. Press W, shade smooth. W shade smooth. So now let's increase and see how it looks. W shade smooth. Wow, it looks quite okay. So now what we're going to do now is we mirror. Let's add another modifier, this mirror. So now as you can see, it looks perfectly okay. And this is what we're going to use for the front wheel. This is what we're going to use for the front wheel. Make sure you select the clipping and merge. So now what we're going to do now is here we bring it all the way here. Bring it all the way here. Press Alt A to bring back everything. Select this and scale it down to here. Scale it down here. Just scale it. See how it looks. It's not too big. Yeah. Now let's go to front view and see if it matches. Wow, it doesn't. It doesn't. No. Since it doesn't, bring it up here and press X on the X-axis. Bring it up like this and scale it up. And scale it up like this. And press X on the X-axis to bring it down. I think now it looks perfectly okay. Wow, this is good. So now we can just copy this and paste it at the back. But before we do that, we have these sprockets here. All these sprockets. While the sprocket should not be a problem, we're going to do that together with the chain and this. So now what we're going to do is just press Shift D and bring it back all the way down. All the way down here. Well, things looks okay. So now press X on X-axis to scale it down, and press X again to scale it down. Well, things this looks perfectly okay now. So I hope you enjoy this. In the next video, we're going to mod the chain and the two sprocket. So see you in the next video. Thank you.